salita in testa.
Damn, it's so early. So, what's up, guys? Today we're going to Belgium to pick up some cars that I bought. I think it's like 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning, and I'm getting ready to go to the airport. My cousin's taking me there, and also my 2 drivers that I hired to depart with me. We're gonna do the transport with Hungarian transit plates, which I borrowed. I hope they're not fake and that nothing bad will happen throughout the whole journey. And yeah, man, let's see what happens, I guess. This is a good beginning to maybe a beautiful new day. Let's go. Basically, I'm in Belgium shopping cars, and they gave me this jacket. Like, I feel like a brokey now. Amazing. Fucking amazing. I love it. I love Belgium, man. I've been here for a few hours, but it's amazing, man. I already bought a car, and now I'm checking other cars as well. Look at the cars, man. Look at how many fucking cars are here. Fucking hell, man. This is the whole business. So I bought this A8 Audi also. Fucking amazing car, huh? Looks absolutely fantastic. It's a long version, and it's a petrol engine, and it's gonna be fucking epic to drive. I can't wait to drive all the way to Ljubljana with it. So yeah, I bought 3 cars and they're all fucking amazing. Oh, it has a sunroof also. I mean, good cars, you know, man. But the only thing that bothers me is probably the glass. But it's nice, it's not bad. Good car, good car. I'm happy. I bought this one. So right now I'm in the Netherlands, and me and 2 chauffeurs I hired are driving to Ljubljana back, and it's amazing, man. Look at this. This car is amazing. I have cooling, heating, massage, every single thing I want, man. I love Audi A8. It's one of the favorite cars ever. I love it, man.
A few moments later.
I'm pissed because the air conditioning stopped working in this car. I guess the car stood for a few months, and it worked at the beginning, but now it's not working anymore. So it's hot as fuck. It's 30 degrees Celsius, and I'm in black pants and a black shirt, and I'm even eating Takis hot, flaming hot Takis, or Cheetos, or I don't know what the fuck they are, but I'm eating flaming hot Cheetos because I feel like when I eat them, it gets so much hotter that I forget it's hot in the car.